Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to update your UHD driver. First, you'll need to identify your current UHD graphics driver version and its manufacturer. This information is crucial for finding the correct update. Next, navigate to the official website of your graphics card manufacturer. Look for a dedicated support or drivers section, which is typically easy to find on their homepage. This ensures you download authentic and compatible software for your system. Once on the manufacturer's site, accurately enter your specific graphics card model into the search bar. This step is vital to ensure compatibility. Then, select your operating system from the provided options, whether it's a 64-bit or 32-bit version. Finally, download the latest recommended driver package. It's often labeled as Latest Driver or Recommended Update and will be a file of several hundred megabytes. After downloading, locate the installer file, usually found in your Downloads folder. Right-click and run it as an administrator to ensure proper permissions. Follow the clear on-screen prompts, opting for a clean installation if available, which removes previous driver files. This process typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer to apply all changes effectively and ensure optimal performance. To verify the update, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and check the driver version. It should reflect the newly installed version. Next, test your graphics performance with a demanding application or game to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any persistent issues, such as graphical glitches or performance drops, consult the manufacturer's support resources. They often have specific troubleshooting guides or forums to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.